How to add a Reolink camera to the app. Got a new Reolink camera? The next step is to add it to a Reolink app so you can view the live footage and manage settings from your iPhones. Let's get your camera connected. Once you're logged into the Reolink app, look for the plus icon or Add Device button on the main dashboard, typically in the top right corner or the center of the screen. Tap it to start adding to your camera. The app will present you with connection methods. The most common and recommended way is to scan the QR code. Tap on this option and ensure your camera is powered on and near your router. A scanner will appear. Point your iPhone's camera at the QR code usually found on the Reolink camera itself or on a sticker on its packaging. The app will detect the code and automatically begin the connection process, guiding you through setting a password and connecting to a Wi-Fi network if it's a wireless camera. You've successfully added your Reolink camera to the app. You're now ready to monitor your property. Like and subscribe for more Reolink setup guides.